Okay, today at the Cash Kitchen we are going to do my niece Taylor's chicken enchiladas. And it's real simple and it's not many ingredients. I'm going to show you what they are. These are uncooked tortillas. You can get them at Costco. I think they have them at Safeway also. Most people call these adult tortillas. You need 28 ounces of green enchilada sauce, a couple of cans of Rotel, and a thing of Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. That's kind of the secret ingredient. You're going to need 2 pans that are about that size because we like to make a lot. And I would say probably about ½ pound of boneless chicken. That makes it pretty easy. Those are the ingredients you need and a little bit of preparation. Okay, so we're going to start doing 2 things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to mix up the chicken and the Rotel. So you turn your burner on medium, put a little shot of oil in the pan, scrape your chicken in there like so. Dump in the Rotel. Like so. A spoon. And you're just going to run it at medium heat. Now my chicken was already cooked before I started, but you can actually do it with raw chicken. Just cook it in here at medium, and I like to mix it up with the Rotel. It gives the chicken a little bit of flavor. Actually gives it a lot of flavor. So you got that going. And then you get a fry pan like this. Set your medium on heat. And you're going to start with some uncooked tortillas. Now you have to be kind of gentle with these because they'll peel off like so. And it's like they're raw. But the cool part is they cook really, really fast. So you put it in the pan and you let it cook. And we're going to do probably about 18 to 20 of these. Okay? So when you're watching it in the pan and you're mixing up your fillings, the Rotel and the chicken, and you'll notice that this will start to bubble up a little bit. Once the pan gets hot, it takes, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. Start to bubble up on one side, then you just flip it over. And you can kind of see that it's bubbling up a little bit. And that's how you can tell when it's cooked. It doesn't really matter that it needs to be cooked all the way, because we're going to put it in the oven a little bit later. So then as soon as you get that done, okay, we'll try a little trick shot here. Ha ha! Just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to start prepping, spray the pan so it doesn't stick. Okay. Okay, so what you do is you take your whipped cream cheese, put a little bit of it, just a little smear like that, and then you add your filling like so, and then you roll it up like that, place it in there, grab another one, little smear, put the filling in, roll it up, put it in the pan. Okay, now we're doing a double batch. So this is your green enchilada sauce, and here's the first batch. And you just kind of pour half the enchilada sauce like so. Okay? And then Like you can see, I live at Costco. I use their shredded cheese, but you can shred your own cheese if you want. And just take your cheese and sprinkle it along the top, like so. Because enchiladas aren't enchiladas unless you have a lot of cheese. And then you set your oven to 375, and like I say, we have a double batch going in because it's a cat house. We love these things. Be careful not to burn yourself because that would be not good. And then you set your timer for about 40 minutes. And then you wait. Okay. After about 40 minutes, you pull it out. Looks like that. It's molten lava hot, so don't touch it. Let it sit for about 5 minutes before you serve it. And there you go.